Hello students, so today we are going to do question number 16 part 2. As you know that in this question you have to find out that which one of these two cases has more number of molecules. There are two cases at STP 5.6 liter of sulfur dioxide. You have to find out the number of molecules present in this and 8 grams of sulfur dioxide. You have to find out the number of molecules present in this also, and then you are going to compare them and find out that which one of them contains more number of molecules. So let us first find out few things. Like for sulfur dioxide, what is the molecular mass? You know that the atomic mass of sulfur is 32 and that of oxygen is 16, so this makes it 32 plus 32, that is 64 grams. This is 64 grams of sulfur dioxide is nothing but 1 mole of sulfur dioxide. And what is its molar volume? The molar volume is 22.4 liters. And how many number of molecules does it contain? It contains Avogadro number of molecules, right? Now the question says at standard temperature and pressure 5.6 liter of sulfur dioxide. So at standard temperature and pressure 22.4 liters of sulfur dioxide contains Avogadro number of molecules. So therefore 5.6 liters of sulfur dioxide will contain Na divided by 22.4 into 5.6. I hope this is clear. Now if you divide 22.4 by 5.6, that will give you 4. So you are getting Na by 4. Now 64 grams of sulfur dioxide. 64 grams of sulfur dioxide contains Na number of molecules. So therefore, as the question says 8 grams of sulfur dioxide, so how many molecules will this 8 grams of sulfur dioxide contain? This will contain Na by 64 into 8. If you divide 64 by 8, that will give you 8. So you are getting Na by 8. Clearly, Na by 4 is a bigger number than Na by 8. So we can write Na by 4 is greater than Na by 8. Since the number of molecules obtained in this case, that is 5.6 liter of sulfur dioxide, is more than that of the number of molecules that 8 grams of sulfur dioxide contains. So therefore, as the question was asked, in which of the cases sulfur dioxide contains more number of molecules, so therefore the answer will be 5.6 liter of sulfur dioxide contains greater number of molecules. Okay, so I think that the video is clear and the concept of how to solve such sums is also clear. So practice them rigorously. Thank you.